we're going to talk about getting into Google Classroom for the first time. So you hop onto Chrome and you can go to google.com or gmail.com, doesn't really matter which, and it asks you to sign in. So let's go ahead and sign in, and I'm signing in as a student. And that's my student ID. And here I am, I've now successfully signed in. Now we're not actually going to use Gmail to be able to get into the classroom. You could use any of the different Google programs to find the classroom. So once Gmail has loaded, what we're going to do is we're going to then wait for the little login to come up here. Okay, we're back in. Had a little bit of a kerfuffle. So what you want to do is you want to go up to this set of 3x3 dots called the Google Apps. So it's not often next to your icon of who you are. Click on the 3x3 dots, and we want to scroll generally all the way to the bottom, and we want to find Classroom. So let's go ahead and click on Classroom. This opens up Google Classroom for us, and it will show all the schools that I belong to. Now it's quite possible, if you're coming into the classroom for the very first time, that you have nothing in here. If that's the case, you want to click on the plus up in the top right hand corner, and you want to join a class. You should have been given a class code to be able to join that class. So go ahead and put the class code in, and then you should find the class that you're enrolled in now becomes available to you. So let's go into this one. We go into this classroom, and this is an active classroom as of now with lots of information in it. It has classwork and it has people. So what we're looking at today is how to get into a Google Meet. So you're inside your classroom. The three areas you're interested in is stream, classwork, and people. What I generally do is when I'm starting a Google Meet as a teacher, I start the Google Meet, and in stream at the very top we put the newest Google Meet. Every day that we create a Google Meet for this classroom, it will be a new code. This code changes. Oh, maybe it doesn't change every day. I had thought in the past that it did change. See, it is changing sometimes. I don't know what the criterion about that's going to be, but that's kind of interesting. That those two are the same. Up until now I've always thought they were different. So we learn something new every day. And you just go ahead and you click on this Google Meet, and it's getting the room ready, and it wants to use my microphone. Excellent. Camera, yes. And now yes, we want to make it allow. Now we get to do something in terms of joining the classroom. Now you notice in my case it couldn't start the camera. Well, it couldn't start the camera because I'm already using the camera to record this. And you click on Ask to Join as a student, and then the teacher will let you in. So this is how we get into Google Classroom. This is how we get into a Google Meet.